true or false? The pulmonary vein carries deoxygenated blood from the right side of the heart to the lungs. The answer is false. Actually, the pulmonary artery does this. Don't let the pulmonary artery and the pulmonary vein trip you up. People like to remember that arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood, and that arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry it to the heart. But when we're talking about heart blood flow, one of these rules could actually confuse you. That pulmonary artery comes off the right ventricle and it carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, which is away from the heart. Once it gets oxygen from the lungs, the pulmonary vein now carries oxygenated blood to the left side of the heart. So when we're talking about these two structures, that rule that says arteries carry only oxygenated blood while veins carry deoxygenated blood isn't true. However, the rule is true that arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry it back to the heart.